In today's video archive and transmission, we are breaking down a powerful concept, the architect of ambition, constructing a self-sustaining ecosystem for infinite personal growth. The high-stakes visionary. What if your personal growth was no longer an accident, but a structural necessity? By treating your life like a self-sustaining ecosystem, we can transform internal friction into pure kinetic energy. This blueprint replaces the entropy of random habits with a rigid architecture for infinite expansion, a system designed to generate its own power. Converting internal friction to kinetic energy. To achieve this, we rely on three core pillars of psychological engineering. Reframe resistance. View internal friction and procrastination not as failures, but as highly pressurized potential energy waiting for the right release valve. Redirect the lows. Learn how to pipe your heaviest, lowest moments into pre-built systems that automatically trigger a mandatory, productive response. Engineered momentum. Apply modern behavioral engineering to ensure that the harder a task feels, the more momentum it generates for the next phase. We bypass the entropy of accidental progress by engineering a closed-loop system where every single output feeds the next input. When you treat your character as infrastructure, you replace fleeting motivation with a structural necessity for expansion. This blueprint transforms internal friction into kinetic energy, ensuring your evolution remains constant, inevitable, and entirely self-generating. If this video resonated with you, please consider leaving a like, commenting, and subscribing for more content like this. As always, Sovereign Swan signing out.